Hi, I wanted to share a fix that I encountered when I was installing my wireless unit to my Di2 and when I was getting it connected to my phone and updating firmware. Partway through, my phone locked up and the firmware update got disrupted and my Di2 was totally unresponsive. And when I plugged it in to get it charged, thinking that my battery ran out, my error indicator light on the charger would keep flashing. And no matter what I did using different adapters that supplies more than 1 amp, it didn't help. So what I did was I went to my battery and I disconnected it, left it off for a few minutes and plugged it back in, reconnected my charger without the wireless unit, and now it's charging again without the error light. So hopefully if anybody ran into the same issue, this helps.